الحمد لله رب العالمين وأصلي وأسلم على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد. So this is a book by Shaykh Salih ibn العزيز ibn Muhammad al-Shaykh. It's taken from his lectures. And Shaykh Saalih Al-Aziz Muhammad al-Shaykh is currently the minister of religious Islamic affairs and da'wah in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This book is one in a series. It's one in a series of some new books that have been published. The book is small, larger than a pocket size book, a little bit larger, smaller than a normal size book, It's paperback, thin. It's about 31 pages. This book is called Advices or Noble Advices to benefit from the lessons, Islamic lessons. The Shaykh, he talks about the following, or this book contains the following: the introduction, and then the pillars that the Dawrat are established upon. The pillars that the Dawrat are the Islamic courses, those Islamic sort of, I don't want to say conventions, but Islamic Dawrat, like conventions, not really conventions, but they happen like maybe they're a week or 2 weeks long. Anyway, the Sheikh mentions the pillars that they should be established upon. And they are as you see. التنظيم المناسب, appropriate organization, وما يجب أن يراعيه المنظمون, and what the organizers should pay attention to. Then he talks about the teacher or the Shaykh or the student of knowledge that is going to give the lessons, how to choose the teacher, the Shaykh or the student that will give the lessons, and what should be paid attention to, what should be taken care of. And the third pillar, the Shaykh mentions the students, the people, the individual that's going to learn and attend the lesson, the Dawrat, his characteristics, and some advices for during the lessons. So there you have it. Wa sallallahu wa sallam wa barak ala nabiyyina Muhammad.